Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Attack Chaos and
Attack Rain.
he was playing a different game. He's gonna leave and join. So we actually did some grinding. I got a new character Ichigo. Got my Itachi level 8.
Got 14 Robux.
Really? What did you spend on stuff? What, mine?
24 Robux. I only have 4 Robux.
And we're gonna today on this episode right here. Well, it's in the same day, but I'm gonna try out Itachi. Okay, come on, join me.
And today I'm gonna try out Naruto.
Okay. Hopefully we can actually win. Well, we mean in Attack Pain got a win with this dude. He was playing as
a person from My Hero Academia.
It was Todoroki, but I don't get that. Actually, Itachi's way stronger than Todoroki by 1,000. Alright, let me play Ichigo this first round. He isn't that good, but
what, my health is the same though?
I'm good.
I'm going to
Shoulda.
As you know, we're playing such a game.
We're actually really bad. But we can't even get past the first level.
We can.
Because we just started playing the game. I played a bit. I got Itachi. Sheesh.
What the heck?
Look at this. He doesn't like do any damage at all.
Yeah, he's stupid.
What did I waste my mission? I'm switching to Itachi.
Itachi has long hair. And we beat it with killing Orochi Maru.
Yep.
It's everything happened. We didn't even make a video like that.
Yeah. I wasn't recording when we did it.
Yeah.
I should have been recording. Oh God, help me. I need my fire.
It shows us the game.
Not that good, but good. It's better than we were before. Hey, one, I got you. I'll check. I'm dead. Run. Fight. Run. Yeah.
No!
She went to range attacks.
No! No! I died.
Oh my God. Stop it.
That's where I am.
Sheesh. No, I'm dead.
Am I dead?
Sorry, guys. It looks like we couldn't beat this thing. Well, we're gonna buy some more people. We're upgrade our characters even better. We're gonna make this video until we actually beat this here. Yeah, but we gotta get our characters higher level.
Yeah. And mine's only level 6.
Yeah. Who's just showing we're eating gum right now.
Yeah.
Roll. C. U. I don't really know. He's not that good.
Yeah.
I used to have her. I didn't like her. I used to have Deku. He was pretty good. But Itachi's probably my best character I've had so far.
Yeah. So I'm gonna feed my characters to Naruto.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, I'm going to buy more.
Wait, what?
I was going to buy more. Is it?
What?
No.
Skip it. Okay, well, stay there.
No, bro.
No.
No, I have to feed everyone back
Oh yeah.
to Naruto.
Sorry guys, if I'm like being a bad YouTuber right now, I'm really sorry. I'm just pretty new. I'm pretty new to this. Naruto. What's a funny name? Okay, Logan. Click. Turn. Play. Okay. Am I even in your game? Yeah. Play. Huh?
Bruh, just going my room.
I brought him in like 9 to 10 minutes ago. I think his cage is closed. He's trying to get inside his cage.
What's doing here?
We're playing game. We're making a video. Sorry guys, my mom came in.
Our mom.
Yeah, our mom. Oh, we can actually.
You might.
I got him.
Wow.
Oh my god, you guys destroyed him. Yeah, I got him. Shoot. I haven't even used it the whole time. Shoot. Oh, shoot.
Get ready. Shingun! Shingun! What?
Go, dude. Good.
Get ready for the Shingun.
Come here, Logan.
Yeah.
Short and run. Hey, attack the person. Can you kill him for me? Can you kill him for me? Kill him.
Shingun.
Oh my god, yeah, that scared me so much.
Yo, you stay
What the
there.
heck? I'm dead, I'm dead. Okay, look, we should honestly try to take out everyone else. Ah! What? What? Damn it, bro. Man, much attack pain now. Oh no. No! That's so. Oh my god, that's so close.
Challenge, so.
We're not doing challenge right now.
I was a survivor.
No, but we're not doing the challenges right now. So we are going to upgrade our characters so much that we're
I'm just gonna take a break for a little bit. My bathroom. I'm just gonna rest for today.
Okay. Wait. I'll bring the table with you. I may only bring it.
No, don't.
That's fine. Okay. Hey, ready, Logan? Attack Pain, join me.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, join me.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Oh my god. I wish I had a gaming chair. Okay, sorry. Honestly, I wish I had Gojo. He's a great character. Okay. Well, this guy is attacking. This. And don't use any of your jutsus yet until round 3. When they're round 3, use your jutsu at round 3 because these people aren't that hard to fight. So I'm going to do this. Put this down there. Now this round you can actually use your jutsus. Why don't you let me take care of these guys, okay? And then on the farther rounds, let me take care of the rest of them. Or yeah, you help me with that. No. I want you to preserve your health. Okay, we gotta do a battle strategy. Oh my god, I'm dead. Fine. Go. Stop attacking me at once. Stop all attacking me at once. Let me do my thing. Sheesh. Annoying people. I tell you. Oh my god, why are they attacking me, not me? Ah! I'm dead. Oh you died too? So we're gonna play a one more round, right? Attack Pain?
Yeah, I'm looking for some PS4. Well, I am. Alright. Okay. Well, me and my brother are gonna take turns, okay? Okay?
No. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna take turns.
Okay, join me.
Yeah.
Join me.
Wait, first I have to roll.
Oh yeah. Same. Okay, join me. Hey Logan, join me. Okay, join me when you do. You join me. Join me. Yeah.
I'm please Naruto.
Hey.
No, this guy will suck.
Do you join yet?
I'm not. Oh!
Join. Join.
I just joined.
Okay.
What?
What?
Teleport failed.
Did you not let you join?
No,
Dang.
it didn't. No, it didn't let me.
I'm fine.
I'll just play again.
Guys, hopefully I can do this.
I'm playing with someone.
Okay. Oh, I didn't take any damage. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my god. Whoa. Jeez, I'm already better than that. I'm dead. Damn it! Ugh. Hey guys, well, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. Bye.